Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Annual Habit Tracker, a fully automated system designed to help you build better habits, stay consistent, and track your progress through the entire year. Please note that I'm always updating my templates to improve and optimize them, so this video may not reflect the most recent changes. Be sure to check the Instructions tab for the latest features, updates, and guidance. If you don't have the tracker yet, it's available in my Etsy shop. There's also a link in the description below. All right, let's get started. There are 15 tabs in this spreadsheet, 14 that are viewable and one that is hidden and contains backend data needed to power the spreadsheet. The Instructions tab is the first tab, and it provides you with step-by-step guidelines. So take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. At the top are key guidelines covering compatibility, protected tabs and formulas, and where to find answers to common questions. The tutorial section gives you access to this video, as well as a link to a fully filled out sheet for reference. The rest of the instructions walks you through how to use each tab, so remember to read through everything here before beginning. The Dashboard tab gives you a complete year-at-a-glance view of your habit progress across all 12 monthly trackers. This is where all of your monthly habit tracking data is automatically consolidated into one place, so you can quickly see your overall progress throughout the year. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see summary stats showing the total number of daily, weekly, and monthly habits currently being tracked across the entire workbook. On the left side, you'll find your overall progress charts. These donut charts break down your completed habits versus habits left to do for your daily, weekly, monthly, and total habits combined. In the center section, the monthly progress charts compare your progress across all 12 months, making it easy to identify which months were your strongest and where consistency may have dropped. The top 5 daily goals and top 5 weekly and monthly goals charts automatically pull in your highest performing habits, so you can quickly see what habits you're sticking to most consistently. Below that, the progress overview charts display completed habits, remaining habits, and your selected goal percentage side by side for each month. On the right side, the overall progress by habit section ranks every habit by completion rate, so you can easily identify your strongest and weakest habits throughout the year. The Rewards Earned section automatically tracks which rewards you've unlocked based on your progress and goal completion percentages. At the bottom of the dashboard, each month has its own mini progress snapshot, so you can quickly compare your results month by month without opening every individual tab. Everything on this dashboard updates automatically based on the information entered into your monthly habit tracker tabs, so there's nothing you need to manually calculate here. Each monthly habit tracker tab helps you track daily, weekly, and monthly habits, while automatically calculating your progress toward your goals. These monthly tabs work the same way, so once you learn one, you can use the entire workbook. At the top left, choose your start date to automatically adjust the tracker to your schedule. Then set your overall goal percentage, for example, 70%, and the tracker will measure your progress based on that goal instead of requiring perfect completion. Across the top, the charts automatically update as you check off habits, giving you a quick visual overview of your progress and consistency throughout the month. Use this Daily Habits section for habits you want to complete every day. Enter your habits on the left, then check the boxes throughout the month as you complete them. The tracker automatically calculates streaks, completion percentages, and reward progress. At the bottom, you'll also see a visual summary showing your daily consistency. The Weekly Habits section is for habits you only want to complete a certain number of times per week. Enter your habits, then use the drop-down beside each one to choose how many times per week you want to complete it. The tracker automatically adjusts the calculations based on your selected frequency. Then simply check off the habit whenever you complete it. The monthly habits section works the same way as the weekly habits section, but for monthly goals. Enter your habits, choose how many times per month you want to complete them, and check them off throughout the month. The tracker automatically calculates your completion percentage based on your selected monthly goal. The rewards section helps keep you motivated by automatically displaying trophies as you reach your goal percentages and unlock rewards. You can customize these rewards with anything that motivates you, and use the checkboxes to keep track of which rewards you've already redeemed. The notes section is used to reflect on what worked well, what challenges you faced, and what you want to improve moving forward. It's designed to help you identify patterns, stay intentional, and continue building better habits over time. Once you finish a month, simply move to the next monthly tab to continue tracking your habits and progress throughout the year. This annual habit tracker is designed to help you build consistency over time, not perfection. By combining daily, weekly, and monthly habit tracking with visual progress dashboards, customizable goals, rewards, and reflections, this system gives you a realistic and motivating way to stay focused on the habits that matter most. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for things to cover, reach out on Etsy and let me know. If you found this video to be helpful to you, also let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to be notified when more videos like this come out, hit subscribe. Cheers and have a great day.